Did you know that empty fridges create better cooks than full ones? Let's prove it. Grab 3 random veggies. Heat your pan hot. Add oil, then veggies. The secret: cook fast, season last. Now for leftover magic. Throw random leftovers in a pot. Add broth or water. Simmer 15 minutes. Season with salt, pepper, and anything bright like lemon. Boom, restaurant soup. Got stale bread? Don't toss it. Tear into chunks, toss with oil and salt. Bake until golden. Instant croutons for your soup. Here's the game changer, Flavour Bridges. Add something sour like vinegar, something rich like butter, and something fragrant like garlic to any weird combo. These 3 things make everything taste like it belongs together. The magic happens when you season in layers. Salt first, acid second, fat last. Your brain loves solving food puzzles. That's why cooking with limits feels so good. 3 ingredients, endless possibilities. Follow for more rescue cooking tricks.